Here is Thursday, 2010. We're going to go see the street. For these percent. I don't know if we're going to hit the ice. Right, the street. Oh god, I was just in the ice. There's ice under here. That's ice water. Okay. This is the street. It's horrible. Oh, frozen too. So cold. Look at this. Big ice chunk right there. It's horrible.